Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open on a positive note driven by strong FII's buying interest, fueled by attractive valuations and robust economic growth. This shift in the FII's behavior is seen as a result of the ongoing global tariff war, particularly after the US government announced various tariffs on goods from regions like Europe, Asia, and America. Positive momentum is expected in PSU banks as the 10-year bond yield has hit a multi-month low, fueled by rate cut expectations. To start with our first segment for Friday, 28th March 2025, Nifty index opened negative but witnessed a good comeback of the bulls after the profit-taking of the last two trading sessions. It recovered above 23,600 in the first hour, post which it consolidated at the higher band in a very narrow range of 60 points throughout the day. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and closed with gains of around 100 points, but has started to make lower highs, lower lows from the last two trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 1% to 13.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.01. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,000 to 24,000, while immediate range is in between 23,400 to 23,800. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 11,101 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 2,518 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 40%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty holds above 23,500, then bounce could be seen towards 23,900, while support can be seen at 23,400 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 51,250 for the next up move towards 52,250, while support can be seen at 51,000. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in PSC, JK Cement, Bank of Baroda, Paytm, Bajaj Finserv, PNB, United Spirits, Ramco Cements and DMart. While some weakness could be seen in Tata Motors, AU Bank, Tata Elxsi, Petronet, Ashok Leyland, Lupin and Hind Copper. Wish you a super day and a lovely weekend ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.